my name is Ria Cotton, and I'm the broker owner of Cotton Realty. And thank you for joining Coffee and Conversation on First Saturdays. Every first Saturday, I post a new episode of important real estate related information to assist all of my viewers. And so today, our topic is the probate debate and lack of trust. So when we think about what is a trust and what's a living trust, if you can Google it, research it, it's basically a legal document that states in the event that you are not able to make decisions on your own or you pass away, who is responsible for both managing and distributing your assets. And so what basically happens if you do not have that in place is upon your passing, a probate is opened, and basically the courts are then at the liberty of distributing or determining your assets. So when you think about everything that you've built, everything that you strive for, and your legacy, it's important to consider having a trust so that your assets aren't dwindled away by court costs and legal fees. The state of California actually has a minimum fee for probate based on the value of your assets. So just that alone, along with other fees that are associated with the process, can dwindle and take away from the assets that you have left for your family. So I am actually a certified probate real estate specialist, and so I assist families with the process of probate. It can be a timely process. It can go from anywhere from a few months to even a couple of years, managing everything. And so, as you can imagine, that would be a great strain on your family members or whoever is left with the task of taking on your assets. So I want to just share with you some of the process of what is faced through probate, and why it's important to get an attorney, work with someone to help you through the process. I also have referrals for attorneys, so if you want to contact me, hashtag the fabric of real estate, or call me at 510-385-0409. I'd be happy to help you with referrals and assist you with that process. Or if you know someone who is in need, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family member, because there's someone that may be able to benefit from this information. So let's look further at the actual process of the probate. And so what I'm going to share with you is a probate timeline. So the probate starts with preparing and filing a petition for probate. From there, you have a court hearing, and the court then determines who will be responsible for managing assets. And that person that is responsible for managing assets will have to take inventory and have the items appraised to determine the value. During this time, there may be people that may contest the probate, and so that can also delay the process. You do a notice to the Department of Health Services, notice to the Franchise Tax Board. You do, of course, a letter to the creditors so that they can file claims against the assets if there's monies that are due. And then finally, moving down the line, you file a petition for the final distribution and accounting. An approval is done to distribute the assets, and then there's a distribution of assets to the heirs, and the final distribution of funds. So this process can be pretty daunting, and which is why it's important to create a trust that contains all of the assets and allows you to avoid the cost and time of probate. So hopefully this information has been valuable for you or someone that you know. Don't forget to share this information. Again, I am a probate real estate specialist, and so I can also assist in sales of probate. You may have some interest in purchasing probate sales as well, so feel free to contact me with your interest. Again, I can be contacted at 510-385 0409. Again, I'm Ria Cotton with Cotton Realty, and I hope to see you again on our Coffee and Conversation every first Saturday.